Hey everyone! Today, we're going to walk you through Phantom Wallet, a simple and secure way to store your crypto. Let's see how it works. Phantom Wallet is a non-custodial wallet built primarily for Solana and Ethereum, with support for a few other networks. You hold your own private keys, giving you more control and security than centralized exchanges. It supports Ledger for added security and offers features like staking, token swaps, and NFT management. Available as a browser extension or mobile app, it's an easy way to access dApps and NFT marketplaces. Phantom Wallet integrates with Solana dApps and NFT marketplaces for easy transactions. You can stake Solana, swap tokens, and manage NFTs with a built-in gallery. Security is a priority. Phantom is non-custodial, so you control your private keys, and a 12-word recovery phrase keeps your wallet secure. The clean, intuitive interface makes it super user-friendly. Despite its advantages, Phantom Wallet has some downsides. It mainly focuses on Solana and has limited support for other blockchains. As a hot wallet, it's more vulnerable to phishing and scams, and has been criticized for allowing scam NFTs. Customer support is slow, and issues like withdrawal problems are often unresolved. The wallet depends on the Solana network, which can get slow during busy times. Also, Phantom doesn't offer compensation if your funds are lost due to scams or phishing. Let's begin by downloading Phantom Wallet. First, go to phantom.app. You can either select the browser you're using or download the mobile app for Android or iOS directly from the same page. Follow the instructions to add the extension to your browser. Always make sure to download it from phantom.com to stay safe. The setup process for both desktop and mobile is similar, so we'll focus on the desktop version for now. Start by selecting Create New Wallet. Next, create a strong password to secure your wallet on this device and click Continue. Now, the most important step, setting up your secret recovery phrase. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access to it, so keep it in a secure place. Once you've backed up the recovery phrase, your wallet is almost ready. To start using it, create a username and your wallet is ready. There are two ways to add funds: buying crypto directly or depositing from another wallet or exchange. To buy crypto directly in Phantom Wallet, click the Buy button. Choose the token and amount, then select a payment provider like MoonPay, Coinbase Pay, Stripe, or another option. You can also choose the payment method that is most convenient. However, keep in mind that buying crypto with a debit card on Phantom can have higher fees. Log in or create an account to complete your purchase. Your crypto will arrive in your wallet shortly. To deposit funds from another wallet or exchange, click Receive. Select the token you want to receive and open its tab. This will display your wallet address and a QR code. Use the Copy button to easily copy the address and paste it where you're sending funds from. To send your tokens, first copy the wallet address you're sending to. Then, click Send in Phantom and select the token you want to send. Paste the address, enter the amount, and click Next. Double-check the token amount, address, and network before confirming. Once everything's good, click Send to complete the transaction. You'll get a confirmation, and you can view the transaction on the blockchain by clicking View Transaction. Phantom Wallet is user-friendly and offers solid security features like hardware wallet support, encrypted seed phrase backups, and biometric authentication. However, as a self-custodial wallet, you control your private keys, so keeping them safe is your responsibility. Although Phantom has scam detection tools, such as transaction previews and block lists, the risk is never completely eliminated. There's no indemnity policy, so if your assets are lost or stolen, the risk is yours. Always double-check details before sending funds and be cautious of phishing attempts. To stay safe, store your seed phrase securely and use Phantom's features responsibly. That's everything on Phantom. If this video helped, leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.